Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen, and somewhere here you're gonna swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and locate the screen recorder. From here, we have options for sound recording and also touches on the screen. And once you have chosen whatever you want, you can select start recording. This begins a 3-second countdown, which you can skip, and have this overlay. This won't be actually visible in the recording. Now, whatever you'll do will be recorded by the device. Now, if you open up some applications that don't allow you to record because, they don't give a shit about your personal rights and what you should be able to decide on your own device, as the name would imply, your own device, you end up with dog shit like this. You can see we have a login page. I do want to also show other ones. I'm pretty sure there is another garbage right here, probably. I guess not. So it looks like Spotify is the only application right here. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can either pause it or stop it. If you want to finish it, you probably just want to click on the square to stop it. This will then save it to your photos or gallery application, depending on which one you want to use. We have both right here. And you can see it under today, but you can also find it by going into the albums and screen recordings. And in here you'll find the screen recording. Now, the reason I decided to show you Spotify is because it basically completely blatantly disregards your personal right as a dog shit application that comes pre-installed with the device. So with that in mind, you have not decided to install it yourself, you haven't logged into it, you might not even own an account, which means you haven't even agreed to terms of service or use for this shit. And here we go, that's your application being fully open right now, and your screen your phone can't see shit on it because this dog shit decided to block it without your explicit permission, which I believe wholeheartedly should be showing up on the screen and asking you with a on their knees while it's also grabbing phallic objects if it can please record it. But no, they expect you to do that. And I want to kind of point out the hypocrisy right here. This number one, this kind of feature, if you can even call that a feature, is designed to protect the privacy of the user, privacy and security of the user. Do you feel protected? Because I sure as shit don't. So that's number one. Number two, it's being utilized by an application like Spotify, which, holy shit, the absolute balls you have to literally pirate the entire music industry and then go step in front of it and be like, no, it's okay if we pirate, but it's not okay if you decide to pirate it by recording your screen. We don't allow that. It's just next level, high up your ass kind of behavior. So yeah, know your place, trash. That's where you belong. Anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful, informative. I did try to make it sarcastically informative anyways. So if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.